Come on. Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. I've been mumbling alone. Welcome. On a Thursday, we're trading Thursday, the closing bell. Welcome to on our trading session today. How are you guys doing? Sorry about that. I think I'll have to make tea. Not feeling well, or something happened to my throat. Welcome, though. I welcome you all to the PM session. Let's do this, man. You know all how we roll. Previous daily high, previous daily low. The market has not taken either of them. The previous daily high and the previous daily low, they are still standing. Come on. US30 these days, it's yeah, it's that baby. Just that it's always doing something weird compared to the counterparts. Um, so okay, what's the date today? So sorry about that. That was my phone. Let's see. As you jump in, please leave your comments. Leave your comment. Let's do this together, man. Tell me where you're from, and please don't forget to like and subscribe. As we will start with our day now. You know, sometimes we do the the swing positioning updates at the end of the day or in between. So US30 has taken the daily high and is continuing to the upside, while Nasdaq does not taken the daily high. It's just ranging. So for today, I think if we're to look at how the market is, um, for USD, it's up 0.13%, while US30, it's up about 0.85%. And the counterpart also is doing quite well. S&P 500 also is up about 0.59. And there's also taken there's taken the daily high as well. So the only lagging pair right now, or the only lagging index right now, it's US30. I mean, it's Nasdaq. And let's see what happens, man. Please don't forget to like and subscribe and tell me where you are from. And I hope I'm audible. Am I audible? Leave a comment. What do you think? Where are you today? Are you bullish or bearish? So I always analyze using Nasdaq. We've taken the previous daily high. We've taken that previous day. We're still living within the in the range of the previous daily high. And the only thing that I see that is happened, we are we are holding this 50 MA here, and then there is a 4 hour fair value gap that we held, and we look for the continuation to the upside. We could be rushing back into coming back to this daily high today. Uh, let's see though. We held that 148 fair value gap. Let me see. Let me see. Let me see. Let me see. See. Am I missing something on a 4 time frame? Okay, we've already taken that high. Already there is an SMT. That's one thing I know. There's already an SMT between Nasdaq and S&P 500. Uh, Nasdaq it's lagging a bit, while their friends yeah, they're doing quite well. I don't know why Nasdaq is just weird, eh? Nasdaq is just weird. So let's see, man. See the 1 hour time frame. Okay. On the 1 hour time frame, there is a clear market structure shift. We are inside a 1 hour fair value gap, yeah? Rushing close to, quickly rushing close to this order block here. Will we be coming back to this low at the 200 MA? I don't know. It's up for me to be desired. Okay. So there is a 15 minutes here above fair value gap that could act as support. Perhaps I should wait the market to get there, then I can look for a reversal. Perhaps I could do that. But also, yeah, perhaps I should do that. And then there is that also 1 minute, 15 minutes fair value gap there that held. What the hell's happening here? Oh, shucks. We gotta move this. So we took London high, we came all the way down. We have taken London high and Asia high, came all the way down during the AM session. Um, below here, there is a 15 minutes fair value gap that we acted on and we look for that reversal to the upside. Am I gonna get a bearish sentiment coming through here? Quickly change this to a weird color. Let's see 15 minutes. Oh, this thing is terrible, man. It looks totally different. Wow. Okay. So my drop liquidity looking at S&P 500 is this 15 minutes fair value gap. Could we reject and come back to that 15 minute fair value gap? Because already I know there is an SMT here. Wow. Yeah. SMT above here. I discounted a higher high also. Okay, just wait. But this could be my drop liquidity as well, just above the previous daily high. But for now, we are still holding this 15 minutes fair value gap also. So that's a fair value gap that you should also note as much as it's consolidating and rejecting. Are we at the all-time high? Let me see something. We have not taken the all-time high. Oh, okay. We are at a 15. Okay, okay, okay. We are at the 4 order block. We are at an F4H order block here. We are at the 4 hour order block. Do not forget to like and subscribe. So 4 hour block here. Just like that. Yeah. 4 hour order block. Yeah, I'm gonna look for a reversal. But today I prefer Nasdaq. It's the only weekly one. For now, I think a reversal it's up on the card. Alright, we have not taken that all-time high as yet. Let's see. Yeah, I've not taken that high. We are just inside the 1 hour order block. What happens within the 50 minutes time frame here? Okay, my bias is neutral. What's your bias? Do not forget to like and subscribe. Please do not forget to like the live. What's your bias? I'm more bearish than anything, to be honest. That would be a bullish move, I agree. But now, going into, and if you look at above it, there is a 5 minute breaker here. Let me also mark it. I'm just going to wait for the market to push to the upside first before I decide to anything that I want to do. I just wanted to tap either here or above there, anything it wishes to give me, because here it reacted on this for our breaker, kind of a move coming up. It can either take this, it can also take out that this high as well, but the probabilities of it taking out this high, I doubt. I could look for a reversal. I just wanted to tap on that 15 minutes value gap first, and then we'll be talking a different language. Either or. I'm gonna look for a reversal. What's weird was Nasdaq came lower during the AM session, while S&P 500 bought, US30 bought. So right now, as this guy opens, we honestly we're not moving the same. So I'm just gonna be watching what happens here. 15 minutes. On the 15 minutes, definitely. There is some sort of SMT. Let me see. Yeah. Oh, okay. There's not. There's not an SMT. We did take out that high as well. No, there's not. There's not an SMT. It's not an SMT, sorry. But we are continuing higher. Oh, come on. Look, to be honest, I don't see a continuation, eh? Yes, we are holding that. But if I take a continuation to where? Ah, come on. We held that 5 minutes fair value gap. We pushed lower, but there is a fair value gap above it. That could be a drop liquidity to the upside. Let me see. Makes sense to go long though. No, it doesn't. Could you take this long? Can anyone consider this long though? Could you consider trade like this? Trade like this as a continuation trade. See. Okay, we have tapped on the 15 minutes fair value gap first. I always catch a reversal. Eh? I don't like the moves. Let me just wait for the market to reach that 5 minute fair value gap and see what it does. Um, Agent, it's in two ways, man. Um, Sorry, I'm just gonna send something now. I'm not feeling well. Something is wrong. I'm not taking that. Just be honest. I know what I'm doing. This is going stretched. So it looks like we're gonna get a reversal. I'm just gonna wait here patiently. There is possibility for us getting a reversal. A plus, if it comes back to that five, it taps that 5 minutes and start rejecting on it. I will love that. I will love that. Oh, Modim. Ladies and gentlemen, I'm not feeling I'm gonna be back. I'm just gonna draw what I'm waiting for and be right back. I'll be right back. I'll be right back now. I'll be observing the market from my phone. So yeah, hold on for me. Sorry. Oh, shucks. Didn't see that coming. So you see the danger of wanting to take a trade like this. That's why I was asking, would you take such a trade? But let's see. I will take such a trade. Yes, it can tap and look like it will reverse, but I won't take such a trade. Let's see what happens now from here. Guys, I'll be back now. I'll be back now. Gentlemen, sorry. Sorry. Sorry about that, ladies and gentlemen. I just had to go to the bathroom. So, that is the move that I'm waiting for, and I think I'll patiently wait. I'll patiently wait. Now, the first move has happened. Right now, I'm just waiting for a move like this. Just gotta be patient. So I'm gonna look for, yeah, for the such a movement. If it distributes lower with a good momentum, I'm gonna look for shorts to this low. Doo-doo. Quickly call me. Yeah. Oh, shucks. Come on, distribute lower with good momentum. Hey, come on, man. Okay, my wife will be with me on a call now. Or the move to the downside does not want to happen. And remember, I spoke about would you take such a trade this low? Now, I wouldn't, to be honest. I wouldn't take this trade, yeah. For me, logically, we overstretched to the upside. As we come back, we definitely held that. But look at the movement coming back to this high here. It's just, look, it could come all the way up. Um, that's a one is to be fair. Normally my stop loss, I'd always put my stop loss just safe. That would be a one is to two, a clean one is to two. However, where do you put your structure to break even? I just don't like the structure. So, and I've already told myself that I'm bearish. So I will allow it to dally and decide what it wants. Okay, this one has ripped up. Yeah. Nasdaq has created. Let me look at the 5 minutes time frame. So we are inside a 5 minutes fair value gap with a breaker. If I get a reversal, it will be a good reversal for me. Yeah, a reversal will make sense, but also just below it, there is a 5 minutes fair value gap. Just below it, there's a 5 minutes fair value gap. What's your bias for the tonight, man? We held that 5 minutes fair value gap. We're still pushing the market to the upside, but ain't panicking. Okay, I've taken that high. Let me see Nasdaq. Okay, S&P 500 has definitely created a high here. I'm still adamant about taking shots, man. Hi, man. Do what you want, man. Sorry, guys. I'm still waiting. Are you bullish or bearish, ladies and gentlemen? Do not forget to like. Oh, come on. Still ripping higher. Okay. This trade is looking good. I think bears are possible, hey? But also continuation to the upside. It's also possible. But I'm more bearish, man. More bearish, man. Is there someone talking today or nothing? I think the next candle is very important for me and for the trade that I'm looking for. If it goes lower and close below the red line, then my trade will look sad. Sorry. Let's see where this one closes. Yeah, ne? US30 is still continuing to the upside. Okay, this one is changing slightly. S&P 500. Or whatever is done by US30. It's my enemy. To be fair and to be honest, let me be honest, you could take longs there. I'm just gonna mark this one. Just hang anything. Just wanna see if it will hold this fair value gap here. If it does and break below there, we're leaving that fair value gap perhaps on the retest. I could look for shorts. To be fair, you could take longs here. Leaving that fair value gap. But I'm just convinced if, let me say 5 minutes. That's risky for me. I'm just gonna wait for 1 minute to close below. It would be lovely if it will be 1 minute closing below this red line that is over 5 minutes to show to indicate a break. Oh, that is closed below, leaving that above a value gap. Can I attempt a short, perhaps? Okay, I went short. Okay, I'm short. I got just gonna show you now. I have quite a wide stop loss to be honest. Yeah. I went short. We held that fair value gap. It could come back to that and continue lower. But let's see. Where did this 5 minutes close? Oh, perfect. I think that's what I was looking for. Okay, I'm happy with everything for now. Yeah, I'm happy with everything. It could give a deeper retracement again, but I'm happy with everything for now. Yes, it's a breaker, so I'm happy with everything for now. So I'm on this trade. The spread a bit ridiculous, eh? Yeah. You can go trade. I mean, in the trade, guys. So let's see. Sorry about that. So I hope I will invade this 5 minutes fair value gap here. I'm looking for short. I'm on a short. So I'm just sending someone to. Guys, come on. If you jump in, please let me know what you think. Tell me what you think. Are you bullish or bearish? As you join along, just tell me what you think. I'm on a short trade. And please do not forget to like and subscribe. I truly appreciate your support. If you're here, let's jump in. Just check in, man. Where are you from and where are you? Engage with me. Where are you from and where are you? And are you trading the PM session? Good move by S&P 500. I think I'm happy with my shots because if you choose to take S&P 500, you will take the short here. Stop loss just above. Can target all the way down to that low. That's a 1 is to 4. Yeah, I could target all the way down to this low. So I'm happy with my trade. I'm happy with my trade. Come on, guys, tell me what's your bias? I've entered a trade on on a breaker block. So where are you from? Just tell me what's your bias, man. So I will truly appreciate you guys if you're with me. Just join me on the comment section there. Tell me what you think. Tell me what you think about the trade that I took. And the last thing, where are you from? Where did you join me and where are you from? Obstacle right now is this 5 minutes for value gap, yeah. And please don't forget to like the live and subscribe. So that's 5 minutes for value gap. It's our direct obstacle right now. I wish we could get an invasion of that. I think once we get this 5 minutes invasion, I think the trade can work out. Until then, it's gonna be a roller coaster. So the market is not giving me the distribution that I'm looking for. So I have to wait. I would love to see an acceleration to the downside. I have the move to the downside. So as I said, this 5 minutes fair value gap is still a major obstacle for us. So I have been thinking, I'm thinking of perhaps I've studied math and still brainwashing this idea of having a video that I speak about the stock market, but it would be like a watch list kind of a video, what I think and what's happening in that aspect. But I'll think about it. I'm still thinking about it. So come on, guys, please. I will appreciate you guys if you like and subscribe and join me and share the stream. Look at that move back to the upside. Ah, come on, man. We still have USD to have already given that invasion there. If you have taken that trade, it hit take profit now. That's interesting. Now we have this bears. Now the bears are confirmed, man. Now the bears are confirmed. Am I willing to take another trade here to add more risk on this account? But this will be a 1:2. Am I willing to add more risk? Let me think. Okay. I am gonna add another position. I will have two positions. I do love the structure. Why not? This looks better. This looks better. This is something. Then three. And then this one. Then eight. But changing from to the higher. So the market structure now is very clean, man. Hence, I'm willing to add more risk. Um, but this looks clean. This looks very clean. Okay. So I'm just gonna add another limit for S&P 500. I've not done this before. I'm thinking of doing it now. I know it's a very bit of a stretch, but I love the market structure. One thing I hate here is the spread. Yeah, I know. I'm not gonna buy this. The spread is horrible. Yeah, the spread is horrible. My problem is the spread now. Ooh, okay. Let me see if it's here. And then let me see. I decided not to, but this will be a beautiful trade. Oh, okay. I love what I'm seeing now. We just closed the first 5 minutes. Let's see. Okay, we got our 5 minutes invasion. I think now we are good to go. As we react to that 1 minute fair value gap here, I'll move my stop loss to break even. Once we get to this 1 minute fair value gap, I'll move my stop loss to break even. And I'll love if it gets here and leaves this fair value gap, but it didn't. But so far, so good. Because this will test my patience, man. This will test my patience. Trust me when I say so. That 1 minute fair value gap will call for my stop loss to be at break even because we could reject there. Still have this. Okay. This would be a mega. I'm going next. Hmm. Terrible. Okay, now I see. We have created a low. However, if you look closely, I am going to hold on to my risk, but you could minimize it if you want. You see this one, now we have a problem. You see this one, yeah, we have a problem now, and a big one. Back to my point. You see that one, this is what I was talking about. Right, let's hang in there, man. Still happy with the trade. Let's hang in there. Let's see what happens next. We got this invasion, so there is possibilities of going continue to go lower. Um, if we come back to this low and break below this low, and then I'm definitely gonna get this. It's already inverted. Yeah, if we come back to the low and close below this low here, my stop loss will be at break even. This low, if it will come back again. Look at that, man. Okay, let's see what's gonna happen, man. If it breaks below this one, I will be happy. I wouldn't dare lie to you. If that breaks and start rolling over, there is high possibility that Nasdaq will follow. And also, this might it's about to break again. So, hey man, I think Nasdaq might follow unless it does what it did in the morning, because this area here very tricky. This one, this area here, yeah, very tricky. But let's wait and see. Come on, man. I'll have a move down, man. And that, yeah, it's tough. Kunzima. So now it's giving a good move to the downside. I truly appreciate the move that it's giving me right now. 'Come on, man. Look, there's no distribution at all, and I don't like that, honestly. Okay, 5 minutes before the top of the hour. Uh, 5 minutes before the top of the hour, one of the critical times. Okay, 3 minutes before the top of the hour. It's moving back to the upside. Come on. I will love a move lower. Or let me say, I will appreciate moves lower. The market is not distributing, eh? Oh, no ways. US30 got the momentum. Look where it is. US30 has the momentum. Look where it is. Already invaded that. S&P 500 already invaded that. And then, yeah, today, Nasdaq is not Nasdaqing, eh? I mean, 2 minutes before the top of the hour. Yeah, today Nasdaq is not Nasdaqing. There's not a good momentum in the market on Nasdaq. That's just, yeah. Oh, look at that. Okay. My trade is going ace out now. I think the move that was supposed to be caught, it was either the one I was speaking about first. Oh, sorry. Yeah, the trade is not looking good. Sorry, the trade is not looking good. 1 minute before the top of the hour. Yeah, it's not looking good. Okay. Okay, I've hit 9 o'clock top of the hour. Okay, the trade is not looking good. Yeah, the trade is not looking good. One thing I can say about it, it didn't follow suit when Nasdaq, when US30 and S&P 500 moved lower. So yeah. That's the JPY. Okay. How long have I been on this trade? About 38 minutes. Yeah. Okay, until quarter past, let's say until half past. If by half past nothing has happened within the next 30 minutes, I'll kill the trade. Because to be honest, the trade is not looking good. So if by then it's not looking good, then I'll kill the trade. Please do not forget to like and subscribe as you're joining and tell me where you're from and you're watching from. Stay with me and see if this trade works out. So if within the next 25 minutes there's not distribution lower, we're still in this case, I think I'll kill the trade. So, ladies and gentlemen, where are you watching from, man? I'll truly love to know that. And also, what's your best setup so far? Have you traded today? Mm. Let me see the counterparts. What's happening with the counterparts? To be fair, the market is extremely slow. Hey, if you wanted a clean trade, here, take shots there. Yeah, something like that. But I'm on the other brother, which doesn't want to move. So now it's one of those days where you're looking at the market, it doesn't give you the distribution you want. It's almost how long have I been on the trade? From that area, uh, close to an hour, close to an hour. Hence, I am saying if by any chance my half price is just still consolidating, I will kill it on break even. Or if it's below, it's in a bit of profit, I'll move my stop loss lower to break even. Just take a break even and I'll call it a day or watch depending on what I'm thinking and how I'm feeling. It's very frustrating to be honest. Not frustrating. It's testing somebody's patience. I think Nasdaq today was the one that was extremely lagging. You know what? Let me do other things while at it. While watching this guy leg and does its nonsense. Let me do other things. About 20 minutes before I shut down the trade if it doesn't move. I'm coming now. Let me just quickly go open something. Come back. Oh, I was busy with something. Okay. Now it's quickly rushing towards my stop loss. Didn't update yet. Should have updated. Didn't update yesterday's trade. Why? Let me see. Should update. Sorry, I'm just looking at my. This is something. Okay. Didn't update. That's odd. That's odd. Let me do this. Should have updated. It did now. It didn't. No, it didn't. Come on, man. Distribute. Just want a continuation to the downside within the next 20 or so minutes. Come on, man. Distribute. I don't know. I'm getting cold. Yeah, I still want a more direct, good, like a more decisive move to the downside. Right now, we're consolidating for the past hour. So I'm left with this last 30 minutes. If not, I think, yeah, just accept and cut it on break even. Just left with 15 minutes. Fifteen minutes before the cutoff time that I wanted. So please do not forget to like and subscribe as you are coming along. I'll truly appreciate that. That was a 10. What about yesterday was a 9. Let me see. How? Didn't add a comment this time. Okay. I just wanna. I'm just. Okay. Just quickly updating my journal. I'm updating my journal. Sorry. 10 minutes before I decide what to do with this trade, man. Again, Ziggy Lutola. Come on, man. Okay, let me see the others. Okay, 10 minutes before I'm gonna cut this trade in 10 minutes time, man. I'm gonna cut this trade in 10 minutes time. Though the market has given a very good move lower, like this, hey man, the market gives a lot of opportunities, eh? Stop loss there, take profit at the low. Proper one is to 3. Yep. Welcome to my world. Today, very frustrating. You know what's funny? I'm just looking at my journal, right? So I'm on a drawdown on this account that I'm trading with. Very terrible drawdown. But on this account, trades that I've taken profit, it lasted above 30 minutes, right? In average, some were 20. Okay, the 21s were break evens, 20 to 20, between 20 to 30 minutes, they were break even. 30 and above, they're all tech profits, or not necessarily tech profit that hitting the tech profits, but um, I did get something. So it's either I got profit from it. But the one that lasted 2 minutes, 1 minute, 15 minutes sometimes. In fact, 15 minutes is also a break even, but something that is 20 minutes and below tends to be a loss, eh? And this one has already lasted an hour. So let's wait and see that. 8 minutes before. Oh, today there was unemployment claims. Come on, man. I'm gonna shut down this. There's no sign of distribution, eh? Not even close. Okay. Nah, no sign. 8 minutes before, 7 minutes before that, I'm gonna close it, man. No sign at all. Okay, waiting for the last 5 minutes candle, man. I hope it will do something. I've been live streaming for almost 2 hours now. The last 5 minute candle, man. Okay, 4 minutes before that. So 3 minutes before that, this thing is behaving like the market. Oh, the market. Wait, I'll be back here. Okay, good move, Laura. Gonna move my stop loss to break even, ladies and gentlemen. There's no need for me staying here. Gonna move my stop loss to break even. Yeah, stop at break even. Honestly, there's no need, honestly. 2 minutes before when I said I'll call the trade, I'll shut down the trade. So there's no need at all. Stop loss at break even. So there's no need for me risking for the next 2 minutes for nothing. Oh, very frustrating. This for almost how long? That's a good move, though. I should appreciate such a move. Ah, fuck. And then what happened? How do you close below for some reason and open above? Ah, flipping hell. Not. Yeah, I'm gonna hold on to this trade until quarter two, but I've moved to break even. Whatever happens, happens, man. But quarter two, I will shut down the trade. Look at this. This is an indication we are close into closing the market closure. So I don't see a reason for me sticking around here. But we'll see. Quarter two, I will shut down the trade. It will be nice if it can get here. You see, that's a 1.9. That would be nice. Within the next 15 minutes, it gets here. That would be very nice. But that being said, ladies and gentlemen, it's been a long trade. It's been a long stream. Market was very slow. We just broke below now. So yeah, 15 minutes before market closure. So we're just gonna be watching closely what happens within the next 15 minutes. By quarter two, I'll be shutting down all the trade that I'll be having. It doesn't matter how much profit will I be holding. So with that being said, man, since it's been a long trade stream, I am just gonna let's quickly do stock updates, man. Long swing trading updates. Let's quickly do swing trading updates. I'm already cold. Okay, let's do it, man. Trade. The trade that I have, where is it? NZ decade. Do we have to do it today? No. No. Can do it tomorrow. Yep. We can do it tomorrow. Right. What do you think about doing it tomorrow? What about doing tomorrow? Okay, let's do it tomorrow, ladies and gentlemen. Let's do it tomorrow. Okay, let's get into it, man. I am gonna add a limit here. The first limit, I just didn't believe in how the market was doing. So let's add the limit. We're gonna add the limit on USD JPY, USD CHF. We are still looking for a retracement all the way up. While another one, where is this? Euro USD, it's a bit stretched, but USD CHF as this one. So I'm not far from that. But if we're to look at the H finder, just to get an idea where we are. Hold on, let me just give you the H finder. What the hell? Oh, here we go. So the H finder, if you can see the H finder, is starting to give GU a bearish reading. Starting to be so this here are the most neutral one. Until come on, man. Don't be too slow. Almost out though. I will tell you that. Almost break even on that trade. So these trades here are very neutral. This one's here. So CAD JPY, USD JPY, those are the bearish ones. And I think those are the pairs that I'm looking for. AUD JPY, bearish. So those are the pairs that I'm looking for now. Um, Obviously, Nasdaq indices, I did say that I'm waiting for retracements. Yeah. Uh, Sometimes I use, where is this top setup? Sometimes I use a top setup. Okay, break even, ladies and gentlemen. It is a break even. So break even, that was a long damn trade. AUD Nasdaq is bullish. Nasdaq is bullish. Okay, yeah. These are the bearish using the other one. Also, Nasdaq falls over the bullish or the bullish side. But while you use Echo, I guess I'm cold. I think I'm gonna go. I think we can do this tomorrow, man. Okay, Echo. On the Echo side, Nasdaq is not here. Interesting. But yeah, let's look at USD JPY and CAD JPY, man. Then we call it a night. It's been long. It's been a long stream. Okay, USD JPY and CAD JPY. USD JPY, I'm already looking for shorts. I'm already about to set the limits. The shorts are imminent. While NZD USD, I was looking for long. Seems like I'm not gonna be tagged. However, let me add this pay. I'm gonna remove this one here. So I wanna add the one that I'm on right now. I have a trade. I think it's on bit of profit, and then we can. Uh, where's my where's my broker? Where's my broker? Okay. Where's my broker now? I don't see it. Okay. Yeah. Okay. I'm long. Yeah. The trade is looking good. Just it started well. I should say it started quite well. Let's see. As we move along, once we break above and go above, I'm gonna move to stop loss to break even, given that we are trading inside a consolidation. So yeah. So this is a trade that I'm holding, but I said I also wanna look at CAT JPY. CAT JPY. Uh, I also wanna look at CAT JPY. What's happening with CAT JPY? Can I get shorts? I've not analyzed this pair in a while, eh? Let's see. Mhm. I could get shorts here. I could get shorts here. Look for the small blower. I could get shorts. Yeah, I could get shorts. And then I spoke of, let me quickly confirm, yeah, AUDJPY. I'd rather try to short AUDJPY. Let's see. Yeah. Should I just short? Yo. Okay. I'll be waiting for the 4 hour time frame just to see what's happening. I'm gonna wait for confirmation, yeah. I'm not just jumping in. So here, my game plan, I'm just gonna wait for a daily candle that will start to show rejection, perhaps come back and close, create a wick and come back close like this. Then I'll look for shorts on AUDJPY. I think that's my game plan for now. Yeah, I think that's my game plan for now. I am gonna add more shares on an ETFs for gold. I'm gonna buy ETFs more on gold. Yeah, I think that's it, man. GBP are not my favorite pair to trade, eh? AUD are not at all. I'll show you why GBP I have a friend who loved trading this. Let me select any. They're saying they are bad. Look where they are. Look at that move. I wouldn't dare trade this. But anyway, GBP CAD. Where is GBP CAD? Missing. Oh, wait, the British pound CAD is not gonna look good. And the Euro CAD. What's happening with Euro CAD, in fact? No, no, I don't like it. I don't trade it. Euro CAD. It should be set for longs. Why didn't I look for Euro CAD? I know, ladies and gentlemen, right now I should be done with this. It's a long stream today. It's a okay. Now I see. Now I see why I don't like it. Ah, sis- okay. Okay. Thank you so much, ladies and gentlemen, for joining me. I truly appreciate all your love, all your like, all your subscription. I hope you'll join me tomorrow. And this was the most longest stream that I had with no end goal. We took a break even today, but I'm happy with that. And other than that, have a great day, guys. I love you all. Peace.